How to invest in ETF, UITF, global stocks, and what broker should we use? Except po sa mutual funds kasi mataas yung fees. So first sagutin natin, dissect natin, dami kasing nangyayari sa questions na to. Guys, thank you Jellord no pala for sending in your question. Lauren Junicio nga pala po, owner and founder of Pinoy Financial Planning, and of course a certified public accountant and a registered financial planner. So sagutin natin to. Thank you Jellord no. Maganda yung tanong mo, but again, ito muna, ETF, UITF. Magkaiba po siya. So, ETF is Exchange Traded Funds and UITF naman is Unit Investment Trust Fund. ETF po, usually lower fees talaga yan compared sa UITF and mutual funds. But, right now sa Philippines, walang exchange pa kasi na talagang nagtitrade ng mga ETF, no? Like, usually lower cost talaga yan because it mimics and yung mga mirrors the prices of certain commodities and indexes, no? Like the S&P and 500, Philippine Stock Exchange, Global Stocks Exchange. We also have gold, Bitcoin, ETF na tinatawag, no? But I think meron lang parang mutual fund dito sa Philippines which tracks the PSEI, yung under First Metro, no? But again, for others, wala talaga. That's why if you really want to invest in ETF, you need to go international brokers, which are risky, no? Kasi nga, pag nawala pera mo, wala kang tatakbuhan sa Pilipinas kasi they're not licensed, and the SEC usually, lagi yan nag-i-issue ng mga, especially for some brokers na hindi sila licensed sa amin, so delikado, which is totoo naman. But again, if you really want to do, it's, you need to take that risk. Pero yun nga, disclaimer lang, delikado din talaga. But for some, okay naman siya, no, internationally. But yun nga, pag may nagka-problema lang, wala na tayong habol. Okay, so you can check Interactive Brokers, no, Ghost Stocks, Charles Schwab, no, you can check their brokers, no. But again, yun nga, medyo wala kang habol, no. But that's the option if you really want to. So UITF naman, and of course yung global stocks pareho lang yan, yung kanina you could trade global stocks there, Interactive Brokers, no, in ETF, no. So but again, yun nga, in disclaimer kanina ng sinabi ko, no. Okay, so UITF naman and mutual funds, guys, pareho lang yun. Usually may fees yan, management fees, but ako I still invest on them despite of the fees. So kala siguro na Jellord, no, Jellord may fees pa rin yung UITF, so it's same like mutual funds. So okay lang yun magka-fees for me. Why? If it still beats the market performance, if it still gives me, good returns, okay lang din yan. Kasi I'm paying them, I'm paying the management team to, buy and sell, manage the funds for me, to give me good returns, di ba? So wala naman libre talaga technically, di ba, sa mundo. So you need to pay them, these good fund managers, technical analysis,